A very good day to all of you folks. Welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Obake. On this channel, I bring you lifestyle vlogs based on my miscellaneous daily experiences. I hope you enjoy my content. If you do, I would really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you don't, oh well, please indulge in any case. Subscription is free, by the way, and your indulgence helps me keep creating more content. Please like the video and hit the notification bell to stay updated for when I upload new videos. Now, take a look at this. Welcome to a start of a new vlog. We are on our way to Kwambisi, ekhaya khulu. It is my very first time going there. Sending Netherlands ready. I'm just gonna go to the kitchen and have some. I've already boiled some eggs, so I'm just gonna have that before we go. And then I'll just put my lipstick. So yeah, come with us. Buying food. You're next. Okay. Zamba River. Zamba River, get guys on Mama is the one holding the camera. We are the vlogger. I see at least. Guys, this is Sugapa. We are from there. I had to drive ke sana umama uthe uzodrive xa sibuye, so I can't really show you the road, but yeah. Sisakude kangakanani?
It's a matter of
sihambe about be 20 past, I think. It's about
10 past, maybe half past 10.
It's almost an hour now. Oko sihamba. Sifikile kwaMpisi ekhaya khulu. Umama uyovula igate because ingathi ubhuti akekho. There's a banana tree. Ndibabonisa guys, nazi i-berries ke sikhile. Umama kafuni i-wild berries, umama kafuni uhamba and kuyaqala ukunetha. It's drizzling now. I don't think you guys can see from my skin, but look how much we got, guys. Inkulu le mbiza le. Zininzi. Masihambe ngo. Yeah, okay, so now we are leaving. The time is 13:20, so we spent 2 hours here. It's figured out about 11:30, if I'm not mistaken. Right now it's 1:30. The reason, guess I know my hands I like this is the berries. I was using this hand the most. So the red, ziyadaya yazi, beni has no yazi. Yaqala ukukha berries as far as I can remember. I don't remember ever having to pick berries like wild berries. Oh, and then on our way we're gonna be indulging. Mama. Oh, savali gate, mama. Nah, get a yellow. Where she is, let me see. But yeah, on our way, this is what we're gonna be eating. Choice assorted, bought by Daddy. Are you guys excited? Okay. Lynette, which one do you like? Oh, ngoku ndim uMrs.
Kuvula andazi ngoba kwenziwa kanjani.
uMrs ndim namhlanje.
Hey, uMrs nguwe namhlanje.
Siya kulo mama ke ngoku bethunana. Right now besikulo tata. So now siya kulo mama. Kwenye ilali akandibuza igama layo yazi. Mama, intoni igama lale ilali? Oh, kusembhongweni apha. Besisempisi ngokuya. So umama uthi mandibeke imoto pha because uyoyikuba anzokwazi ukulendoza ukunyuka apha. But indlela doesn't look that bad, but yeah. I'm not that experienced when it comes to indlela yasemakhaya. Let me just show you guys indlela enjani. Niyabo. It's not that bad, dude. I think naga kusikiza wakhelo wa ambiza. But I think thina siya pha. Ngobe nibonisa. Mama kupha mosneko wena? Okay kupha. And then ngapha kwenza ntoni ke? Ngapha. Oh. Oh. Hey. Kukhulu guys, ezilalini abantu ba rich land yazi. Guys, niyabona imoto nansi idlula jonga, nansi imoto idlula apha. Thina we are parked there. Siyadlula imoto apha qha yandoyikisena. Siyayipheka namhlanje lo hagu leyo.
Mamela.
Oh, okay. Siphiwe inyama yehagu apha. Ise fresh futhi. Ihlinzwe nini?
Namhlanje.
Yo, sifike kamnandi mos.
Ise fresh.
Siyaphuma ke ngoku kulo mama. Umama guys ubona umthi uyojonga uthi ngamagqabi umthi weguava. It's a guava tree. Guava, mama. She wants the leaves from the guava tree. The time right now is 13 minutes past 3. Sizodlula kwamakazi. Siphiwe inyama yehagu so enye ipisi kamakazi sodlula kwamakazi sidropha inyama. But I think asizungena mama uthi uzomfonela aze emgwaqweni because ixesha selihambile. It's been a great day kodwa sana. Supper by Usmakoti. And then I found Lombon. Usuka babe? Usuka Pumbon? Oh. Yeah. Ndifumene umbona bekelo umbona there's my food. Go cover show nge cling wrap guys in case you see this thing.
No, not that one.
So yeah.
Another one, please.
I'm gonna sit down and eat. Also fresh berries from the garden. Well, not our garden, but fresh. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday morning. We are preparing to go to church. I'm early, so I thought let me start with lunch supper. I don't know, lunch/supper. I don't know. So long, so that when I come back, so right now, the pork. I boiled this pork yesterday. That's why so right now I'm just going to put it back to the pot and season it. I've already started with my couscous on the other bowl. Also, I am making soft porridge as we speak. So I was here in the kitchen for hi babe. No, you can have some more. Hey, so guys, yes, I was saying, I'm here in the kitchen to make porridge for the kids and obey because he asked for a porridge. So I was like, okay, let me just make porridge for the kids and him. Usually we give them cornflakes on Sundays. But because they wanted porridge, I was like, okay, cool. I think I also want it. Yeah, well, I'm not done though. I'll show you guys. This is the dress I'm going to be wearing. I'm going to be wearing. I will show you guys the final outfit because I still need to. So this is how I look right now. This is me. I just put on this duck. So, and then the apron, so I think I know this. So in the size of actually, do duck, shoes, and yeah. So I thought man bendiqala lunch /supper andazi bizoba ntoni. But all I know is we only cook one meal on Sundays. So I just don't remember what is the procedure. I don't remember what the process is. So this pork guys, if fresh besiphiwe kulo mama. We went kulo mama izolo basipha fresh pork. Ndafika ndabilisa. It was slaughtered yesterday because last week they've just slaughtered a pig. So when I want to do stew because I'm gonna make couscous, spinach, and a pork stew. Initially I was gonna make lamb stew, but because the pork is so fresh, I was like, "Ndifuna is fresh." Yeah, but I think that's all. They hardly beetroot, but we don't have beetroot here. If we go to town before we dish up, ndizawuthenga ibhitruthi le ikwi-tin can whatever and then yeah, but yeah, I'll buy the ready-made beetroot. So for now guys, ithi ndenze isidudu ndizawuhamba ndiyonxiba. Here's my couscous. Oh, say ready couscous. Amanzi wami wesidudu nanga sewayabila. I'm not going to show you guys the process of making this dudu. It's soft porridge. I think I showed you the other day, but nansi mixture yam. I'm gonna use sugar, I'm gonna use milk, butter. That's all I'm using, guys.
Oh my god! I know I don't look nice.
You don't?
I know.
Oh sana.
Ngathi
Kaloku uyazazi wena, but umhle. Hayi ngoza. Guys, uSmakoti uyafika uthi sendenze intoni?
supper. Like she's already cooked supper and I literally...
Is it supper okanye is it late lunch? What do we eat on Sundays? I've forgotten. Yazi ndikuxelela baya. Sitya once God.
Yeah, it's late lunch. Okanye you can put it like that.
Like
she's already done it. I just woke up.
I'm not even done.
Couscous is ready.
Couscous.
Enyama is ready.
No. Shonga. Auntie beliboilile izola khumbula.
Ndizama ukuthi you already have your things together. Mine is separated.
But you're not cooking today. You cooked izolo, yakhumbula? Ubuphekile izolo, so today uyaphumla. Oh yini sana. Ndisendizamisile iright couscous. I'm done with it. Done.
What I organized the queen.
But okay guys, mandiqhubeke. Inyama nansi sendiyifakile apha, yabo. Ndizawulenza sizofaka nje i-seasoning, whatever seasoning I'm gonna use, nama ndikazazi. But I suspect uba inyama zenza xa sibuya. What time do you usually uthe ukhaya? 9:30? Uda cha ngaba ngixesha ngo-10 ngo-11. Mangixesha khona ngo. What time is it now?
Now it's 8:30.
8:30. So meaning sihamba ngo 9:30 if ingena ngo-10. Okay, I still have an hour. Okay. Mama made me a smoothie ke ngoku. And I still want isidudu. Ndiyasithanda isidudu, I'm not gonna lie. So what I'm thinking is ndizawutya isidudu esi, ne? And then I will take this to church ndizayisela ecaweni because ke sana zoyi-2 ndiyazifuna. I'm just gonna have a little bit of isidudu. This is my final look for church. I only have one bag here. I only have this handbag, so I'm gonna have to wear this handbag. But yeah, also the shoes I'm not so happy with my shoes, but it is what it is. I'm wearing, you see, I'm wearing these shoes. They're navy in color. I almost wanted to wear the nude shade, but zimdaga zinedusty kakhulu, and I think zingaba uncomfortable as well. I'm not sure. I tried to fit them. There's something wrong there. I'm not sure. But anyway, also the reason why limited options, because I've got shoes that stay here. I've got heels that stay here. Well, not necessarily heels, but let me show you guys the shoe I'm talking about. This is the shoe I'm talking about the heel. It's comfortable for Upper Makaya. I always prefer to have a heel like this Upper Makaya. But man, apart from Ubumdaga, there's something not to make sure. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. So yeah, see, the time is 9:40. We are late. Obey, Ukupi Moto. I don't see the kids going in. So, but yeah, I'm done with you. I'm done. Guys, this is the dress that I wore when Ube came to Lobola Ekaya. So, years later, it still fits. It's the second time I'm wearing this dress. Second time. I was like, how to get in? Also, the reason you hardly see me wear this can be in Joburg is because it stays here. So I've got clothes that stay here. Like, the wardrobe, then I've got impahla zaseGoli. It's better that way for me, so I don't move around with impahla. There's certain items obviously that I can move around with, but impahla that I know about it just for here. So yeah, this is me. I like the top part. Like, I like this part. I'm not sure about. Anyway, too. Okay, guys, let's go to church. Let me switch off the volume. Diyabuza awufuna uhlala phambili?
No, anditshatanga naye lo mntu. Uzohlala nomntu otshate naye.
Hello, Nako. Hi, Obu. Okay, let me take my seat. Nancy ibhegi yakho. Thank you, Nako. Xa sibuye ecaweni ba? Excitement. Jonga inkomo ezininzi.
I already jonga ikomo.
Oh, you already jonga inkomo. Okay, ukutya guys ku-ready. Ndiphoxwe yigravy ke apha yekuskus. Akhange ibe khona, but this is my pork stew. And then beetroot, we ended up not buying. Someone is in town, by the way, to get it. But by the time he gets here, so this is this is Bay's plate. This is my plate. This is Smakoti's plate. So the reason I dished up like this for Smakoti, in case she doesn't love the pork. Yeah, but for me, I know, but I'm gonna be able to eat like this, and for Ubey. But yeah, and the rest of the plates is ambisile, so yeah. Ifikile beetroot ke kanye xa ndisathi ndihambisa. So here's the complete meal. This is what I had in mind. Exactly like this.